Today is May the 6th, 2026, and I'm in Taormina, of course. This is the world famous ancient theater. This theater dates back to the 3rd century before Christ.
Vai, vai. Adesso faccio una foto a voi.
Behind me you can see the village of Taormina from a different point of view and the Bay of Naxos. You can see where the ancient Greeks came to Sicily in the 7th century before Christ. Naxos was the first Greek colony in Sicily. This theater had a very important spiritual meaning at the very beginning for the ancient Greeks. Then it became an amphitheater, so it was like a modern cinema for the Romans, for the ancient Romans, who were focused to entertainment only. During the Greek period, it had no obstacles. So, I mean, there were no fences to separate the theater from the beautiful Naxos Bay and Mount Etna. So, ancient Greeks could see the sunrise, could see the eruptions. That's why it had a mystical meaning. They were connected to Mother Nature and to the universe. While during the Roman age, they built like a sort of wall behind me to cover everything, because the most important part of the show was into the theater, into the amphitheater. Beautiful, beautiful animal shows, gladiators, a very, very funny entertainment. Thanks to importance, the ancient theater of Taormina is always included in all our small group tours of Sicily. As you can see, the Sicily Lovers, the people who join the tour, are enjoying the guided walking tour with a local guide.
Very clear, as it was the one of zero. Many archaeological sites, and of course it's highly recommended in all our custom private tours of Sicily. Despite Taormina is very attractive in terms of shopping, we highly recommend you a guided walking tour of this beautiful village. Taormina has become very popular over the last few years because it's a very important filming location. In particular, they filmed the second season of White Lotus. One of the most important hotels in Taormina, the San Domenico, has been chosen like the main filming location, and has become very soon a very expensive hotel. Of course, if you want to stay in Taormina, if you want to book a tour with us, I will be very glad to recommend you some beautiful hotels that maybe offer a better value for your money. The beautiful sculpture behind me is the female version of the famous David by Michelangelo. This is made by an Italian artist named Iago. The one you see behind me is the coastline of Letojanni. It's the coastline toward Messina, to the northeast point of Sicily. And if you are good watchers, you can see behind me the Calabria, Italian mainland. Calabria and Sicily are just 3 miles distant, so you can swim.
Regardless if you decide to book or include walking guided tour of Taormina, or you just wish to enjoy your leisure time to do shopping, I really recommend you to visit this theater, to enter this theater, maybe to enjoy a nightly show or a concert. This theater offers a great acoustic, and thanks to the all the information studies by the ancient Greeks, thanks to the particular shape of this theater. And I was able to enjoy some beautiful shows over the years, but I will always remember the concert by Eddie Vedder, the singer of Pearl Jam, a famous band from Seattle. In the middle of the show, he decided to unplug all instruments and use only his voice. Everybody in the theater was able to listen his voice perfectly. So maybe one day you will experience some opera. Also Bocelli came here to perform Il Volo. This is something highly recommended. And now I'm ready to join again my beloved Sicily lovers, and I will show you the rest of the highlights that this beautiful jewel of Sicily, Taormina, offers.
Last year we had the presentation. You'll find some cheap gas. and I have been. It was a small Roman theatre for literature, for music, and for poetry. We're about 100.
Once again, behind me you can see the Ionian Sea and the Bay of Naxos. And this is one of the most beautiful squares in Sicily. It offers a great sea view, and it's also a very attractive point here in Taormina, full of restaurants. There's a beautiful hotel, and people are enjoying their free time. Now I'm walking through the beautiful Corso Umberto. That's the main pedestrian street in Taormina, and I'm walking towards the square with the cathedral, another highlight in Taormina.
For this reason, of course, the Star of David and the musically testify their presence.
Okay, so we have the few survivors. So we have Joe and Joanne, our wonderful local guide Marina, my special angel Rita,
and Gianca.
And Gianca, of course. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will see Taormina with your eyes very, very soon. If you want to book a tour with us, don't hesitate.
We'll wait for you.
bestthingstodoinsicily.com. This is the right word, the password. From Taormina it's all. Now we go to have a beautiful dinner all together. And as always, what we can say? Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Bye.
Ciao.